Assembly. For operation of the device, you'll need a Pro-Line basic system, including the Pro MP6 connecting cable and the Pro B battery for supplying energy to the lubrication system. You will also need a Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 with lubricant and a reusable cover for the Pro LC. Remove all protective caps. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Pay attention to the printed arrow indicating the correct direction. Place the Pro LC in the cover and remove the plug. Press the Pro LC into the cover until lubricant is expelled from the outlet opening. Place the Pro LC with the cover on the Pro-Line basic system. Make sure that the catch engages in place and the gear teeth on both components, Pro-Line basic system and Pro LC, mesh. Now turn the cover clockwise until the bayonet catch engages in place. To connect the Pro MP6 distributor to the Pro-Line drive, connect one end of the 4-pin Pro MP6 connecting cable to the connection on the Pro-Line drive, and the other end to the connection on the Pro MP6 distributor. Screw both plug connections in place. Activation. When the Pro LC is attached, the display screen shows LN, which stands for line. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. The display screen shows the remaining runtime. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds again. A pin prompt appears on the display screen. The default factory setting for the pin is 00. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds and set the size of the LC. You can use the On-Off Select button to choose either Pro LC 250 or Pro LC 500 as the size of the LC. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to configure the outlets one by one. On the Pro-Line, you can choose between 6 outlets. Outlet 1 flashes first. You can activate or deactivate it by pressing the On-Off Select button. If Outlet 1 is activated, a marking appears on the display screen behind the text showing Outlet 1. Now select further outlets by pressing the Mode Save button repeatedly. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to configure the number of strokes for the first active outlet. Press On-Off Select to enter the number of strokes. 1 stroke discharges 0.5 cubic centimeters of lubricant. Confirm the selected number of strokes by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. You can then set the pause time for this outlet. The Pro-Line lubrication system is battery operated. The time specification therefore represents real days. Select the number of days. Change the first digit using the On-Off Select button and confirm the selection by pressing the Mode Save button. Now change the second digit and confirm it by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. Proceed in exactly the same way for the next active outlet. When configuring the lubrication system for the first time, you have the option of changing the pin. Change the first digit using the On-Off Select button and confirm the change by pressing the Mode Save button. The second digit can then also be changed in the same way. Press and hold Mode Save button for at least 4 seconds to save the pin input. The Pro-Line is now fully configured and ready for operation. Switch on the Pro-Line by pressing the On-Off Select button. When the Pro-Line detects the battery and is supplied with energy, the green LED flashes and a first initialization run is performed. With the initialization run, the system checks whether all the outlets are detected. On completion of the initialization run, the Pro-Line switches to operating mode.